Today's video I show you guys how to start a fresh story with all upgrades, vehicles and DLC already unlocked in Just Case 3. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, go to files and select the manual download option and select slow download option and it will start downloading. Check this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now you need to navigate to documents and open the Square Enix folder, just case 3. Just copy the saves and pack it up. I'm gonna paste it in desktop. Once you take the pack up, just drag and drop these files. Open the saves folder and open this random number and open this new game plus. Just drag and drop all these files inside. Replace the file the destination and just close stuff here and launch the game. Now you can start a fresh game with all upgrades, vehicles and DLC already unlocked in Just Case 3. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.